Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the first video that I have ever done, so let's get rolling. I don't know why I did that. Okay, let's go. First, I have some primer from Revlon. It does not smell good at all. I got the basic white girl for solid drops. For me, it's just more content for this channel. You want to take a damp beauty blender and get some foundation. I'm going to use the Born This Way Too Faced. I have to mix colors because I'm white now. Instead of being a gorgeous tan, because living in Nebraska, it's cold. And you blend. Some of you might think, oh my god, why not do the eyebrows first? Well, I kind of have eyebrows, which is a gift from God. We're gonna grab some concealer. We'll use the Huda Beauty concealer. No, okay. And you want to take your damp beauty blender and use that to bake, just because the application will go on a lot better than if it was dry. Next, we will do some bronzer. I have the Smashbox, the Cali Contour. Today I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill brushes, the brush set. This color always shows up so dark on the video, even though it's like barely there. It's barely there. I don't know why we take so long to do our makeup. I mean, I can take like 10 minutes if I really wanted to, but you know, that's only if I wanted to. I need an actual camera for this channel because this kind of sucks not having my phone. Okay. And veiling, I think that's what people call it when you're like, you fucked up a tiny bit and you're just trying to fix it. Just a little bit. Okay, well, we're gonna define it like that. Also sitting right here because I smile way too much. I am using the, again, basic, the dipbrow and chocolate for my eyebrows. I'm taking my Morphe brush. Okay. I'm gonna do the other one off camera. Okay. Okay, brows were put in. They look alright. I mean, I can't complain, I guess. We are gonna finally do the eyeshadow. I'm gonna put a little powder down so that if it falls out, I can easily just brush it away. I forgot to contour my nose, so gonna do that quick. We are going to be using the Anastasia Nirvina Pallet, which I've kind of been into a time or two. I am from Iowa. Currently, I'm living in Nebraska. That color like didn't even show up. I'm in Nebraska for work. I went to school in Nebraska too. I work at Children's Hospital in Omaha. I like it there. Kids are pretty cool. I said I would throw some pinks in here, but I don't think I'm doing that. I'm like feeling like the orangey red because it's fucking cold outside and this is a fall look now. And when you think that it kind of sucks, if you keep blending, it will eventually make sense. rose gold out of the palette. Look at that pigment. Then I'll grab some summer out of here too. More gold. And I'm just gonna blend that out together just so it doesn't look like ridiculous. And then I'm gonna add some more dark passion to the sides. Just because we lost some of that. No one understands like how many eyeshadows you end up using, honestly. Next, we're gonna do eyeliner, and that sucks to do on camera, so I'll be right back again. So I'm gonna take the Eccentric orangey shade, then I'm gonna use Passion on the corner. These eyelashes are so fucking big. Next, gonna set with Morphe. Today I'm using the Morphe highlighter Spark. Pro tip, don't brush your nose like this with your highlighter, because it'll make your nose look bigger because you just contoured it, so it didn't look like that. We will be using Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Crush for the lips. Well, that's the look for today. These eyelashes are so big, I can't wait to take them off. Let me know how I did in the comments below. Mean, hateful comments, they'll probably hurt me because I'm just starting out. So be nice. Thanks. That's all for today though. Bye.